Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to Money Moves with Well-to-Fi. I'm Ted, and today we're diving into a fascinating experiment that might just change the way you think about money. But before we start, if you're new here and want to unlock the secrets of wealth and psychology, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. So, what would you do if I gave you this $100 bill right now? Take a moment to think about it. Got your answer? Great. Because today, we're exploring exactly that question and what your answer reveals about your money mindset. We took to the streets with a simple question. If I gave you $100 right now, what would you do with it? The responses we got were eye-opening, to say the least. Let's take a look. Interviewee 1 said, "Oh man, I'd hit up that new sushi place downtown. Been dying to try it." Interviewee 2 said, "Straight into my savings account. Every little bit helps." Interviewee 3 said, "I'd buy some flowers for my wife. Money's nice, but it can't beat seeing her smile." Interviewee 4 said, "Probably get that new game I've been wanting, or maybe save it for concert tickets." Interviewee 5 said, "Invest it, maybe in some fractional shares, or add it to my index fund." Fascinating, right? Now let's break down what we discovered. We asked 100 people this question, and here's how the responses stacked up. 40% said they would spend it on immediate pleasures or needs. 30% said they would save it. 20% said they would invest it. 10% said they would donate it or use it to help others host. But what do these responses really mean? To help us understand, we've brought in Dr. Sarah Thompson, a renowned financial psychologist. We asked her, "Dr. Thompson, what can you tell us about these different responses?" Dr. Thompson answered, "Well, Ted, these responses give us a fascinating glimpse into people's money mindsets. Those who immediately think of spending often have a live-in-the-moment mentality. They prioritize immediate gratification and experiences. The savers, on the other hand, tend to be more security-focused. They're thinking about the future and preparing for uncertainties. Investors are often growth-oriented. They see money as a tool for creating more wealth and are willing to take calculated risks. Lastly, those who think of donating or helping others often have an abundance mindset. They feel secure enough in their own finances to think about giving back." That's really interesting, Dr. Thompson, but is one response better than the others? Dr. Thompson said, "Not necessarily. A healthy financial mindset often involves a balance of all these aspects. The key is being conscious of your instinctive response and understanding why you think that way about money." I said, "Thanks, Dr. Thompson. Now let's dive a bit deeper into each of these mindsets." 1. The spenders, living in the moment, can bring joy and memorable experiences. But unchecked, it can lead to financial instability. 2. The savers. Security is important, but extreme saving can lead to missing out on life's pleasures or growth opportunities. 3. The investors. Growing wealth is great, but it's important to balance risk and not neglect immediate needs or enjoyment. 4. The givers. Generosity is admirable, but it's crucial to ensure your own financial health before helping others. Now you might be wondering, what would a millionaire do with that $100? Well, we asked a few, and their answers might surprise you. Millionaire 1. I'd use it to learn something new. Maybe buy a book or an online course. Millionaire 2. Honestly, I'd probably invest it. Every dollar is an opportunity to grow wealth. Millionaire 3. I'd use it to take a potential mentor out for coffee. Relationships are the best investment. Notice a pattern? Many successful individuals see money as a tool for growth, whether that's personal growth through learning, financial growth through investing, or network growth through relationship building. But here's the million-dollar question. Can changing how you think about $100 really impact your overall financial health? The short answer is absolutely, and here's why. Your instinctive response to an unexpected $100 often reflects your broader money habits. If you immediately think of spending it, you might be prone to lifestyle inflation as your income grows. If you think of saving, you might be good at building a safety net, but could be missing out on growth opportunities. The key is to develop a balanced money mindset. Here are 3 steps you can take. 1. Reflect on your initial response to the $100 question. What does it reveal about your current relationship with money? 2. Practice the 24-hour rule. When you get unexpected at money, wait 24 hours before deciding what to do with it. This helps avoid impulsive decisions. 3. Allocate wisely. Consider dividing unexpected money between immediate enjoyment, saving, investing, and giving. The exact split depends on your financial situation and goals. Now, I have a challenge for you. Ask your friends and family the $100 question. Their answers might surprise you and could spark some interesting conversations about money. And here's where you come in. I want you to share your answer in the comments below. What would you do with an unexpected $100 and why? Let's get a conversation going and learn from each other. If you found this experiment as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to understanding your money mindset. For more insights, tips, and strategies to build wealth and master your finances, head over to Wealthify online. The link is in the description below. We've got a treasure trove of resources waiting for you there. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got more mind-bending experiments and financial wisdom coming your way that you won't want to miss. Speaking of which, in our next video, we're going to explore the disturbing psychology of the ultra-wealthy and if that is a key point to grow wealth or not. Trust me, it's going to be eye-opening. Until then, this is Ted from Money Moves with Wealthify, reminding you that every dollar is an opportunity. How will you make your money move? See you in the next one.